Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and as promised, this will be the unboxing video of my new drone. Now check out this huge case. This I have been waiting for over a month because, as you know, I'm in Ukraine. Well, that's thing number one. Let me fix my camera. Okay, so issue number one, I am in Ukraine. Issue number two, Ukraine is at war. So for me to get this drone, I have to order it in US. I have to have it forwarded to me. I have to wait for it to get here. I have to wait for it to clear customs. Then I have to pay a hefty customs fee, which this time was around $400. So this drone, the end price that I paid for this case and everything that's in it is, after tax, custom fees, shipping fees, everything is about $1,700. So let me show you what I got. It's the moment of the reveal. Ta-da! I got myself a DJI FPV. I actually, believe it or not, I wanted this drone ever since it was released. I am completely serious. The problem with buying this drone when it was first released, and again, I do not like to buy new drones, mainly because new price is expensive, and for me, custom fees are very high. It's about 30%. So when this drone was first released, it was brand new for the basic package, which included the drone, one battery, the remote control, and the goggles. The price was $1,300 plus tax. Now let me show you what I got for $1,700. And I haven't powered this on yet, so let's power it on. And of course, okay, question number one, how do you remove the gimbal? I have no idea. Okay, I guess that's it, but I can't figure this out. Well, I guess I got the gimbal off. So let's hear that infamous power and on sound of, because I haven't powered it on yet, of the DJI FPV. And remember, every time you power on a drone inside your house, inside your apartment, in the garage, anywhere, make sure to remove the props. Otherwise, basically a destroyed drone waiting to happen. Oh, now that's a cool sound. Let me power it down. But look, LED lights all over. This is only the unboxing. I'm gonna show you what I got. As you know, as with the DJI Spark, probably half a dozen to a dozen videos with this drone in the next month. First impressions, the drone is heavy. It actually feels probably as heavy as my Mavic 2 because of the battery. So I've got the drone. I'm gonna actually lay it. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna put this back on. And so the gimbal protector, okay, so it went on very easy. Let me see. It's only very difficult to take off. Okay, so now I got it off. You gotta put your finger here and here. See, he's got that little thing. Take it off. So let me put the gimbal protector back on. Okay, so gimbal protector, don't like it. So I got the remote. This thing is cool. Got the remote. So still going into the standard package. Got the goggles. And the guy before me, I guess he was like semi-professional. He's got the little protector for this thing as well. So that's cool because you want to make sure that no direct sunlight falls onto the lens because that can damage the lenses, damage the goggles. So I got the goggles. I also got the Fly More combo with it. So I got 2 extra batteries. Yay! Honestly, I never like to have a drone without extra batteries. Always gotta have extra batteries. So that's that. I guess this is the charger, the standard charger, but because it's a Fly More combo, I also got the regular combo. It took me a while to find the battery for the goggles because it was like, because of the case, it was hidden under the charger. I looked all through the case, couldn't find it, but that's where it's at. So far I got the drone package, the basic package, the Fly More combo, and the coolest thing of all, I've got the motion controller. This, I was gonna get no matter what. This is such a nice bonus. So basically, like, if I was to buy this brand new, the case, the drone, the Fly More combo, which I think the battery should be in good condition. The guy said he was getting motion sickness, so he only flew the drone a couple times. I haven't checked anything out yet. So his review on eBay depends if he lied to me or not. But because I've had people lie to me before, and I've left 1-star reviews. People are like, "Oh, I just flew 2 times." I'm like, "Dude, you have 57 flights on it." So this thing is cool. I can't wait to fly with this. This is gonna be like a completely separate video. So I'm gonna fly with this, and let's see, Fly More combo. This everything. So $1,300 for the drone originally. Fly More combo, another $300, so $1,600, and I think this thing was like $200. So that's $1,700. The case, I'm sure, is not cheap. So the case by itself was probably another $100. And the guy also sent me a brand new 128 gig card. And this is A2, so I think this one is like, what, $50? So probably if I was to buy this brand new, like this whole setup would be in US right around $2,000. I cannot wait. So this is just unboxing. I already unboxed it. Again, heavy drone. But let me tell you, one thing I'm probably gonna order either today or tomorrow. I want the bracing rods for the drone. They kind of hold the race together. I want to get those for sure. I'm gonna check, see if there are any in Ukraine. If there are, I'm just gonna order them. If there aren't, I'm gonna have to order them from US and wait probably another month. Yeah. Design of the drone. So first impressions. The gimbal cover, hate it. The way it's installed, removed, not very convenient. The way the battery is installed, that you can actually, this is priceless. Put the battery in but not connect it to the drone, that is priceless. Removing the battery. Okay, so drone without the battery is actually kind of light. So the batteries look freaking awesome, and I think they're actually 18-volt batteries, if I'm not mistaken. That print, I am too old to be able to read something that fine. So I don't have eagle eyes anymore. But I got 3 batteries. All of them seem to hold a charge, so I'm gonna have to check all of them later. The drone does have front collision sensors and bottom collision sensors, which is rare for FPV. The construction of it, it actually feels like it's made from the same material as DJI Spark, like the same kind of plastic, but it could have been made better. Like the rays, the arms, it would work much better if they would make it carbon fiber. I don't care about the weight. It's all about being rugged, because these drones crash, and they crash a lot. I also see there is a LED light on the bottom, which is cool. The camera can shoot 4K 60, which is also great. And this is interchangeable, so the cover should be easily removed, which I'm not gonna mess with it. Right here in the front, oh, let's see. So I will need to get one more micro SD, but I think I have one laying around. Right here, micro SD card goes in, and one more micro SD card goes into the goggles right here. So you have micro SD, and it says USB-C out for the goggles. USB-C is for the I'm guessing it's for the power, but at the same time there's one for the power right here. So I'm guessing USB-C is for video out. Can't wait to test the app, because I'm not a big fan of acro mode, but I will wanna fly in it. So right now I'm just gonna put all this on, try it out. I'm not gonna launch the drone just yet. I'm just gonna make sure it works. I'm gonna check the cycles on the batteries, make sure the guy didn't lie to me. And actually, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna record the screen as I power it on. And I am completely at, I think what, DJI Fly is the app you use with this, because I really don't have a clue, honestly. So I'm gonna power these on one at a time, and make sure the batteries are good, make sure the drone works, start it up without the props, and record that screen. Oh man, it's a little dirty on the inside. Or is it that? No, actually I think it's the way plastic is. But yeah, let's check it out. So I'm gonna record the screen right now, and you guys will see what I see. Okay, so what I found out, which is I completely forgot. You fly with goggles. You don't fly with your phone connected to it. So let me get into the menu, and I will actually tell you, because again, I said the most important thing is the battery cycles. And this first battery, it actually has one charge cycle on it. So that's a brand new battery. So let me power it down. And connect the second battery to it. Again, the guy said he had motion sickness. I can see why. Oh, here's how you connect the battery. You want to make sure you hear the clicking sound. Now it's in there. Then you connect this thing, and then you power on the battery. Oh, that sound. And you control the menu and everything with this joystick. I don't know if you can see it right here on the goggles. The remote does not control that. Remote is basically just for flying. Okay, so let me go into about. And this battery has just one cycle on it. Sweet. I'm so far 2 brand new batteries. I'm very happy. I know I look ridiculous in these goggles. And the guy had a much bigger head than I do because I had to tighten the straps. This drone is freaking awesome. I'm so excited. I always get so excited when I get a new drone. It's like my birthday. Okay, so if this battery has just one cycle on it, we have a brand new drone. For in US, I paid $1,300 for it. So for $1,300, this entire package. Okay, so powering on. Come on. Connect. It hasn't connected yet. Oh, there it goes. One thing I did notice, I think it's like fish islands. Okay, so, oh no, this battery has 2 cycles on it. But the guy really, like, let me power this off. So first you always power off the drone, then you power off the remote. The guy really had everything tweaked out. I think he wanted to keep it. But because he was getting motion sickness, because he even got this adapter to where you hang the battery for the goggles on the back of the strap. So he got that, then he got like a whole bunch of other adapters. He's got this for the phone, I guess. So you mount the phone to the whatever. He's got the, I think this is what, like a GoPro mount for the drone. He's actually got 2 of these, and I just sold my GoPro, but I don't need it. He even got this thing for the battery, which is all professionals recommended. You basically put this on, so when you land the drone, it has a much softer landing. So what I'm gonna do right now is actually I'm gonna charge, oh no, I'm not, I'm gonna use up whatever battery I have left on this, and I am going to play with the app. So practice flying with the simulator. I want to get at least a couple hours in on the simulator before I go out flying, because last thing I want to do is crash this drone, because the parts for this drone are actually a little hard to come by in Ukraine. So I really don't feel like crashing it. And then before I go flying, of course, I am going to I'm gonna charge all the batteries to 100%, because the last thing you want to happen is to be flying about and to run out of battery on the goggles or on the remote, or well, the drone will run out eventually, but charge all the batteries. So thank you guys for watching. I'm very excited for my new $2,000 drone. And if you like drones, if you like tech, make sure to sign up to the channel. If you want to support Ukraine, all the links are in the description of my of this video. So see you guys later.